Oh, there's Pop-Up Rock's crane. Did you see that big digger and that little dump truck in there? That's Pop-Up Rocks.
Where?
That's Pop-Up Rocks there.
Oh. Wow.
Yeah, he drove those a lot. We're going to pause here. I'm getting out of the threading.
I'm going to be a bigger when I go up there. I'm good, Daddy, and I even do a little bit. Please stop. Ha 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 ha. Please stop that. Please stop lying. Please stop lying. The boy lying.
Looks a little jumpy, but nothing I can do about it. I don't know what that is. Look at that, big crane digging.
Can you see, Ryan? Can you see?
Yeah, babe. See? Pop-Up Rock.
Whoa!
Digging, digging, digging. See that digger?
Yeah.
Wow.
Who's that?
That's Pop-Up Rock banging on it
What?
with a hammer.
Why?
He's fixing that bucket. He